Hey, here's my friend Meg. Hey everybody.
Hi.
We're doing Cowels Mountain, the highest peak in San Diego County. Supposedly. It never really feels like that when you do it. But we are going to climb Cowels Mountain. It's Sunday morning. It's going to feel good. It's beautiful out. I'll give you some glimpses from the middle and the top of the mountain. And I got to set my heart rate monitor right now. I got to time us, see how high we can get our heart rate. We're going to run walk it. So we'll check in with you in a little bit. Bye.